Dear reviewer, this video shows how the IPT system developed in our research to charge the battery. Here, the red arrow indicates the power source entering the inverter. The primary unit induces power wirelessly to the payload via magnetic flux. Located above is the secondary unit, and below is the primary unit. Both of them have the same inductors, where diameter of the inductor is 17 cm. To ease observation, we use this line marker of 24 mm to separate two units. Let's start the experiment. First, we show you the function of wireless power plus command packet transfer from the primary unit to the secondary unit. Let's start power transfer. We can see that DC voltage at the load side is 140.5 volts and charging current is 3.08 ampere. We freeze the scope and turn off the output power. Showing in the left-hand side of the center line is the preamble section, and right-hand side is the data section. In the preamble section, there are data bits. Those are digit 1 without modulation. The time period is 41 microseconds. In the data section, there are digit 0 with modulation. The period is 37.5 microseconds. The digit 0 is shorter than digit 1 for 3.5 microseconds. We call it delta tau. It was obtained by trimming the current curve. When data is digit 1, the on time of Q1 is 18.5 microseconds, and the on time of Q1 is 15.0 microseconds when data is digit 0. Digits 0 and 1 received at the secondary unit are distinguished based on the delta tau. We change channel 1 to measure RS command packet, and change channel 4 to measure TX command packet. Let us adjust the time scale to 50 milliseconds per division. We freeze the scope and stop power output. The primary unit sends command packet to the secondary unit. Start power output. Turn on the scope. Now we adjust the scope's timescale to 200 milliseconds per division. We can see a packet transmission every 500 milliseconds. Next, we show you the function of wireless power plus data feedback. Here, left-hand side to the center line is the preamble section, and right-hand side is the data section. In the preamble section, there are digit 1 without modulation. The time period in this section is 40 microseconds. There are digit 0 with modulation in the data section. The time period is 44 microseconds. Digit 0 is longer than digit 1 for 4 microseconds in its time period. The difference is denoted as delta tau. It was obtained by decreasing the duty cycle of Q2. We discriminate digit 0 from digit 1, received at the primary side based on the value of delta tau. Let us change channel 1 to measure TX command packet, and change channel 4 to measure RS command packet. We adjust the scope's timescale 50 milliseconds. Stop the power output. For example, the secondary unit feedback data to the primary unit. Start to power output. We adjust the scope's timescale to 200 milliseconds. We can see the packet transmission every 500 milliseconds. This topic will show you the function of wireless power plus data packet feedback plus emergency feedback. We start by considering the system works normally at first. Then, if there is overcharging current at the secondary side, the IPT system stops power transferring immediately. Channel 2 indicates that an emergency due to overcharging current is happening. Once detected, we can see that the primary unit stops power transferring immediately, because the secondary unit sends emergency packet to the primary unit. As demonstrated, we have developed a method that can handle wireless power transfer with simultaneously mutual data transferring in an easy way.